welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and tonight I'm going to do some orange chicken on the Blackstone, and I'm not going to make my own sauce. I'm going to use Panda Express Orange Chicken. You can get it at Walmart in the bottle or wherever. Anyway, we're going to give that a try. I've not had the orange chicken sauce before. We use the sweet chili sauce all the time, and it's delicious, so I'm assuming the orange chicken sauce is going to be good. So let's go in. I'll show you how I get it prepared. We'll come back out. I do have the Blackstone on. It's heating up, so we'll be ready to roll when we get out. So let's go in and show you how it's done. Okay, so I'm going to use 4 chicken thighs. These are boneless, skinless. And I'm going to just clean them up a little bit, cut some of the fat off of them. Some of the skin, some of the fat, just clean them up a little bit, not a whole lot. Just kind of get that little piece there. Now that I got them all cut up, there's all the excess fat that was on there. And now I'm just going to cut them up in little pieces. Oh, you know, just small, maybe an inch, something like that. So I'm going to get all these cut up with my super fast chopper. Okay, then I'm going to add my, I'm going to add some black pepper. And a little bit of Morton salt. Just going to get these seasoned up a little bit. Squeeze a little bit of orange, half an orange. And then once I get this, I'm gonna get this all mixed up nice. I'm gonna cover it with some cellophane. And we're gonna put it in the fridge for about a half hour or so, maybe 45 minutes while everything else gets rolling. How easy is that, right? Okay, so that's been in the fridge for about 35-40 minutes. I'm gonna get some cornstarch. I'm gonna add about 2/3 of a cup to my bowl here. And this is gonna be for the coating for our orange chicken, so we can get it fried up. I'm going to add 2 eggs. There's 1, and there's 2. So with this cornstarch, you just want to add the eggs, and you want to just stir it up, mix it up with a fork or a whisk. Just keep mixing it. It will blend all together, and you'll get kind of like a thick pancake batter, just like that. That looks about right. You can thin it down if you need to. Then I'm just going to add my chicken in there and mix this up all nice. Get everything coated, and then we're going to take this out to the grill. Hey, how easy was that? Super easy. So I've had my grill on. It's starting to get a little bit of white smoke on it, and I can test with my handy dandy Blackstone thermometer. This thing, not only you can stick the probe in the meat, but it also has an IR temp, so you can see if I can show you. See it light up. It'll get you the temp of the griddle. Let's just give that a quick test. We're at about 430, so by the time we get the chicken on here, it will cool it off a little bit. And here's my chicken right here that we just did inside. And I'm also going to put a cooling tray over on the side, so when the chicken gets done, I can throw it over there. Okay, let's get cooking. We are doing a shallow fry. Here's my oil. It's nice and hot. And this is probably going to go fast. So I'm going to start laying my chicken down quickly as I can. You don't want to get them too close. You don't want them to stick together. I am going to have to do these in batches, and you will soon see why. Okay, let's see what our first ones look like. Maybe. Okay, these are looking pretty good. You're only going to go for, what, maybe a minute on each side. We're not looking for the golden brown right now. We just want to kind of get the coating crisped up a little bit. The chicken will cook, obviously. There, looks like it needs to on this side for a second. Okay, so right here the batter is a little bit crispy. It's not golden brown yet. So what I'm going to do is set these off to the side. Like I said, we're going to do these in batches. We don't want to get them too browned up right now. Yeah, that oil's getting a little excited, isn't it? I do have my, well, whoa, warming up. I had them a little off of low. I just turned it to all the way low. See, I'm putting them over here on this cooling rack. Okay, let's get the next batch in. Okay, let's get this speeded up for you. I'm going to get all of this done, all this chicken. There's a lot of pieces of chicken for just 4 thighs. And these are going to be awesome. So this is the last batch. You know, while you cook them, you just you keep moving the oil over to them. Make sure they got a little bit of space to fry in, since it is a shallow fry. Of course, you know, you can do this in a wok if you want to, but... Alright, so, I'm going to take these off. Set them over here. Now this was just 4 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And I'll show you here in a minute how much that makes. And I probably made too much. This is just for 2 of us tonight, so... We're going to have some leftover chicken, orange chicken. Okay? So right here is, look at all of that. Look at that. See how they look? They're not golden brown. They're cooked partially. And the reason why you want to put your Blackstone on low is so it gives your chicken a time to actually cook. The first batch was on a little hotter than warm. It was at 400, 350, 375, right in there is good. Anyway, so the other batches, they took a little bit longer on the griddle, so they did cook a little bit slower. The first ones are done. I'm not worried about it. So right now I'm just going to kind of do a little housekeeping here, get some of these bigger chunks off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some more olive oil. I am using olive oil. And then I am going to turn my temp up on the griddle. I'm going to turn it about 1/2 inch. So it's not on all the way low and it's not on medium. We're going to add a bunch more oil and get this all heated up. As soon as this is heated, what we're going to do is a double fry, and the double fry is supposed to make these chicken, little chicken tender things, a little extra crispy for our orange chicken. All right, we'll be right back. So here is our orange sauce from Panda Express, and what I do, I brought out a pan, turn the heat up over here. What I want to do is get the orange sauce heated up, so I'm just going to pour this in this pan, and while we're doing the chicken, this can heat up. Okay, as you can see, we got a little white smoke coming off of this oil. So it is nice and hot. Now what we're going to do is get our chicken back in here. I'm just going to bring it all in. I'm gonna get rid of this little cooling rack.
Look at those, man, nice golden brown, double fried, little crispy. You can hear that? Just like that. Let's get some sauce on these.
All right, we got our chicken done. We got them double fried. Crunchy. Done. Hot. Just let my orange sauce heat up. Once that's heated up, we'll put this chicken in a bowl. We'll add the orange sauce and we'll be ready to eat. We'll be right back. Right, let's get our chicken in the bowl. Almost made it. Get those over there. My table is clean. Right, here's our orange sauce. It's nice and hot. We are just going to pour that all over the chicken. Just like that. Okay. Now, mix the chicken up. Get sauce all over all of it. All right, there you go. Orange chicken.
Look at that. Look at those. All right, let's give these a taste test.
Hey, orange chicken using Panda Express's orange chicken sauce. Look at that. All right, let's grab one of those pieces of chicken there. That is some pretty good orange sauce. I do say so myself. All right. I'm gonna get inside, eat these with some fried rice. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Man. Hey, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. We'll see ya.